Transform your WordPress site into a modern, responsive masterpiece by seamlessly integrating the power of Bootstrap. First, let's explore the most straightforward method: installing Bootstrap via a WordPress theme. Many excellent free and premium themes are already built with Bootstrap. Simply navigate to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. Search for terms like Bootstrap or Responsive Framework to discover compatible themes. Preview and activate your chosen theme. Once your Bootstrap-powered theme is active, most of its styling will be handled. However, you can further customize the Bootstrap elements through your theme's built-in options, usually found by going to Appearance and then Customize. Here, you might find sections for colors, typography, and layout adjustments that leverage Bootstrap's grid system and components. For more advanced customization, creating a child theme is the best practice. This allows you to modify Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript without affecting the original theme files. You can download Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript files from their official website, then enqueue these files within your child theme's functions file. Within your child theme's functions file, you'll add specific code that tells WordPress to load the Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript files correctly, ensuring they don't conflict with existing WordPress scripts. This preparation is crucial for applying your custom styles. Now, let's see how to actively use Bootstrap when editing your pages or posts. You can directly add Bootstrap's utility classes and components to your HTML. For example, to create a two-column layout, you'd use Bootstrap's grid classes. To style a button, you'd add classes like btn and primary. The real magic of Bootstrap lies in its responsiveness. By utilizing its flexible grid system and predefined classes for spacing, visibility, and alignment, your content will automatically adapt to any screen size, delivering a consistent and professional user experience across all devices. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate Bootstrap into your WordPress website, unlocking a world of design possibilities and ensuring your site looks fantastic, no matter how your visitors access it.